Hello my friends, I'm back for what should be a very short video, just an experiment to see if you can mix ready-mix pouring paint with some other paint that you had laying around mixed with Floetrol. I don't think you can. I think there's going to be something about the interaction that won't work, but we won't know unless we try it. So I had some silver, white, and kind of a turquoise color already mixed for the swipe I did the other day. Some left over, and I just was thinking it's not enough to do a painting with, but let's experiment. So this way I don't have to use too much of my valuable Artist Loft Ready Mix, and I'm using up the other one. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. I'm just going to do a ring pour, no drizzle, because we won't really know right away. I have to wait till it dries to see how this works, and I want it just to be as simple as possible. I'm going to just do a straight pour. Oh, it's done some very strange. Oh, well, the Floetrol. I guess I had gold too. No, gold was Artist Loft. I saw a bunch of cell-looking things there. Well, it looks good at this point. Seem to be compatible, but it's way too early to say conclusively. Pretty colors. I wish I could repeat this. Probably never can because I did some custom mixing. Oh well. Oh gosh, it's kind of pretty. Okay, I didn't mark the corners, so I can set this down in the right spot for you. It's just a tiny canvas because I didn't want to waste a lot of paint and if it fails. Gosh, that's pretty together so far. Wouldn't it be great? Because as much as I love the Artist Loft, they don't make a lot of colors. You can mix, but there are so many beautifully ready-made colors in other paint brands that it would be wonderful if you could combine them. Oh gosh, it's really pretty. I'll show you in a second. I learned something so remedial about taping today that I'm just embarrassed to admit what it is, so I won't tell you, but I will show you what I figured out I can do. Well, there's the pour, and now let me take you down for a close-up. Isn't that pretty? Well, so far so good. But it's early. I'll let you know in the next video or two how it dried. Thank you. Bye-bye.